In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Cloudflare Origin Certificate. This type of certificate secures the connection between Cloudflare and your Origin server. It's signed by Cloudflare and trusted by their network, but it's not a public browser certificate, which is why it can have a long lifespan and is perfect for locking down that private hop. Start by heading to dash.cloudflare.com and signing in. From your dashboard, pick the domain or zone you want to secure. On the left, open the SSL TLS section. In there, look for Origin Server, sometimes labeled Origin Certificates. That's where we'll generate the certificate used on your server. Click Create Certificate. You'll be asked how you want to generate the key. The simplest path is to let Cloudflare generate a private key and a certificate signing request for you. This option gives you both the certificate and a brand new private key right in the dashboard. If you already created a private key and generated your own CSR on your server, choose the option to use your own and paste the CSR. That keeps your key entirely on your system, which is great for strict security practices. Next, enter the host names the certificate should cover. Add your root domain, like example.com, and include a wildcard such as podexample.com if you want it to cover one level of subdomains like www or API. Remember, a single asterisk wildcard won't cover multiple nested levels, so be precise about what you need. Choose the certificate validity. You can set a long duration, such as 15 years. That's normal for Origin certificates because they're only trusted by Cloudflare's edge, not by web browsers directly. A longer validity reduces how often you need to rotate the certificate on your server. Click Create to generate it. You'll be shown the certificate details, and if Cloudflare generated the key for you, you'll see the private key once. Copy it and store it securely. You won't be able to view it again later. Finally, choose the key format that matches your server environment. PEM is the most common and works well with Apache, NGINX, and many modern stacks. PKCS7 can be useful for certain Windows, IIS, or Tomcat configurations. Pick the format your server expects so the certificate installs cleanly without conversion. That's it. You've created a Cloudflare Origin certificate, tailored the host names, set an appropriate validity period, and selected the right format for your server. This will help ensure encrypted, trusted traffic from Cloudflare to your Origin.